If you want to delete downloaded files on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, what you can do is, first of all, we can open the Files app. So if you go to the app drawer and if you tap on the Google folder, then in here you should be able to find the Files app. Now in here we should be able to go to downloads, and of course in here we have everything that we have downloaded so far on our phone. If you want to remove something, you can just simply tap on the three dots on the right side and then you can choose to move to trash. And there we go. Of course, the file is not permanently removed just yet. It is sent to trash instead. But of course, you can go to trash and to remove it permanently if you want to. And if you want to remove multiple files at once, then you should be able to, for example, press and hold your finger to select the first file, and then you can tap on every other file. And then here we have the trash icon in the upper right corner. If you want to immediately remove everything, then of course you should be able to go to trash. So in the main menu of the Files app, tap on these three lines in the upper left corner and go to trash in here. Then you can select everything that you want to remove instantly and tap on delete at the bottom and confirm your choice. Leave a like and subscribe.